Okay, this is the Trakview Dashcam. This is a camera for fleet vehicles. Records front and rear. It tells you the driving behavior. You can live view it from the app on the phone, or you can do it from what you call it, from the website. We don't supply the camera. We only do the installations. Anybody who got these cameras for your fleet, feel free to give us a call. We do come out. Our numbers again is 305-298-4814. We come out and we can install these for you guys. All right, this is in a Chevy van, roofing company. And this is what the camera looks like. The one for this faces the driver, and the one in the front faces the street. Okay, it looks pretty nice. There's different companies that do this type of cameras. So anybody who needs these cameras, let me know. Our numbers again is 305-298-4814.